Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Barb and you're at Barb Beauty. For today's video, I'm going to be talking all about the new Colourpop Bff Mascara. I ordered this the day it dropped and I got the little like PR package, which by the way, I love that they like sell the PR box because when you get it, it's like, it feels like you're on the PR list. Even though you're not, and probably never will be.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
I think it's really cool that they sell the PR list to purchase. So I'm going to be talking all about the formula, how I like it, and swatching all of the shades on my eye. On my eyes. I have two eyes. I hope you like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow my social media down below. And let's get on to this colorful mascara. So this is the PR box, like I said, and it's so cute. It has BFF and all the shades on it, and it says volumizing mascara. And then when you open it up, this beautiful holographic packaging, and these are all of the mascaras and all of the names are at the bottom. I'm really excited to start swatching this and see how the formula is. I haven't watched any videos on it because I don't want to be biased. But yeah, I'm really excited to try it, so let's start swatching. There are 7 shades. You have Left on Red, which is a red shade, Pink Ink, which is the pink shade, Yellow Goodbye, Kiss and Teal, that's so cute, Blue Ya Mind, and Purple Prose, and Black on Black, which is obviously the black mascara. So I'm going to swatch these all on my eyes, and I will get back at the end when I have the black one on, and talk to you about how I felt about this mascara.
Used to be so happy, but without you here I feel so low. I watch you as you left, but I can never seem to let you go. Cause once upon a time you were my everything. It's clear to see that time hasn't changed a thing. It's very deep inside me, but I feel there's something you should know. I will never forget you. You will always be by my side. From the day that I met you, I knew that I would love you till the day I die. And I will never want much more. And in my heart I will always be sure. I will never forget you. And you will always be by my side till the day I die. Day I die, 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 day I 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 day I.
Okay, so that was all the swatches of all of the shades of this mascara. I do have some thoughts. Every color is absolutely stunning and so unique, and it's going to be such a cool element to throw in to certain makeup looks, to have a little bit more pop of color and for it to be a little bit more fun. I will say that the shades, the red one, the pink one, and the yellow one are pretty dry, and the purple one too. They're more of a drier formula, although they do all feel the same. They just felt drier and a little bit more flakier. Not in a bad way, just drier. And the shades, the blue one, the teal one, and the black one, they felt more moussey and wet and like more mascara-like. Again, not that it's a bad thing because they did still show up and were great, it's just they did feel drier. I do kind of wish that this brush was different in the sense of the little spikes and the hairs that come out of like the middle mascara part. I wish they were kind of closer to the little middle part because I feel like it would have packed on the color even more rather than having such long brush hairs, and it kind of would have really coated the eye. Not that it didn't, again, it still was a full-on pack of color, but I just feel like if they were closer to the wand and they were kind of like plasticky, it would have packed more of a punch because it would have really got that mascara on your lashes. But again, not a bad thing, just a personal opinion, preference, idea, you know. I really like the black shade for like a normal mascara. It was by far the best one that performed. That's kind of a given, I guess, because I don't know, I guess colors and the way pigments are and the formulas of them, they're gonna all react differently, and that's why some are drier, some are more wet, and the black one I just felt was the personal best one. It was really like a good formula and a good texture. My overall opinion of these mascaras, I do really like them and I'm excited to play around and kind of do them with different eyeshadows and different makeup looks. I really think it's such a unique product, and Colourpop always kills it no matter what they do. They are coming out with something new all of the time and it almost never disappoints. And I think it's really cool that a brand came out with mascara and did something this cool and unique and fun as that, but it's kind of no surprise because Colourpop, it's just an amazing brand. And I believe that each individual one is around $8. So in my opinion, if you're gonna go make a Colourpop order, definitely toss one of these bad boys in your cart. They're really nice and I really enjoy them and I will be using them a lot. I kind of want to do a whole series with them, kind of like testing them against different colored shadows just to see how they pull up on the eye, and I'm going to do that on my Instagram, so make sure you're following me on my Instagram so you can see the future series and stuff I want to do, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and yeah, I would really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video all about the Colourpop mascaras. I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.